Hello, my name is Moshood Odutola, a TMTT Software Development Fellow, Lagos from Nigeria. This is EzestarEduTech, an AI-powered mathematics tutor built specifically for Nigerian students from GSS to SS. The app is live at ezestarmath-boost-tutor.lovable.app. Being a mathematics teacher in my local environment, and among the four pillars given, I have decided to focus on education. Many Nigerian students fear mathematics. Teachers are busy, private lessons are expensive, and students have nobody to ask questions at night. Therefore, EzestarEduTech solve this problem by giving every Nigerian student a free, patient, and intelligent AI tutor available for free 24 hours throughout the week. Now, let's browse through the topic. Students can browse mathematics topics organized by level. This is GSS level and SS level with various topics like fraction, integers, ratios, and the rest. Also, with the AI tutor, students can ask questions or ask the AI tutor to teach them a particular topic. For instance, let's type teach Moshood. Now, looking at this, we see that what it explains the problem step by step, giving us step 1, think of two numbers that multiply to give 50, where one is perfect. Step 2, write it under the root, split them. Then a quick trick for you. So if you multiply by itself, the umbrella disappear and the rest. So this explains it step by step. Likewise, we have a practice section where questions have been generated for students to practice in preparation or to have a real exam style practice question covering algebraic, fraction, percentage, and quadratic equations and the rest. And answers are also being shown step by step, and this the result. Likewise, we have a section for exam preparation. Students preparing for WAEC or JAMB can easily make use of the EzestarEduTech web app by clicking WAEC or JAMB and browse through what any topics they want. So ratio and the AI tutor will generate the question. So this is it, and with step-by-step solution and explanation on how the answer is being derived. Likewise, we have a section, the dashboard, that track progress with achievement badges, keeping students motivated to keep what? Learning. So, thank you very much. This is EzestarEduTech, gives every one of the Nigerian students access to equal mathematics help freely at any time.